guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will do a video about making how to make floral cards, and for that you will need some supplies. And I have my Canson watercolor paper, brush row brushes in size 0 and in size 4, but mostly I'll use the size 0 brush. Then I have Bristol watercolor on my palette and some colors that are in blue shade over here. Then I have my towel, water, and this plate where I'll just use it for pouring the colors. That's all about the material. So let's get started with the card. So I am gonna make a happy birthday card today, and I am using this A4 size sheet. So I want to just fold it, okay, and then use it as a card that you can just open it, where we will just paint. So I'll fold it, and I'm folding it from the opposite side so that we don't find a lot of creases, because when I'll fold it this way, there will be like little crease. Okay, yeah, sorry, like that. This is not like kind of broken, and you can see here it's broken because it has been folded twice. Okay, that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just paint my floral part over here, and we can just open the card, and you can write your message or any quote that you want to write. So let's get started with the card. So what I'm gonna do, I'll start with some leaves first of all, and for that I am using my sap green color. The colors are not wet, so I'll use my sap green and some green colors, some pink, like that. So let's get started with that. I'm also going to mix some burnt umber in my sap green. So let me talk about a trick here. For example, you have some vibrant color, and you just want to make it little dusty, or you want to reduce the tone of it, making it into some like muted color. You want to make it into a muted tone. For that you can mix browns to that. Also you can use your purple to make its tone get muted a bit. So that's a trick. So let's get started with the card. And what I'm gonna do, I will make a round kind of in painting the borders, and the round of like here in the circle I will write happy birthday. So I'm gonna start from here. So we'll just paint some random leaves and herbs like that. So I'm starting with a very tiny, so I'm gonna make one more here. then I will use my darker shade of green, and again I'll mix some browns to this, and you'll see that it has a little olive kind of texture, color, tone. You can also mix a little bit of black if you want the tone to be more dark into a very dark olive tone. You can also use dark green and mix it with some black. Okay, no, it's too dark. Okay, let's make a different type of leaf here, and it will be something like a bigger one. And it's always easy to paint the leaves when you're going away from the stem. So it's always, what I'm trying to say is that I'll just give you a demonstration. For example, you're making a leaf like that, right? A stem like that. And then you're painting the leaf from here, okay? You can just go from the stem and away and just drag your brush, and that's it. Now, either you can go this way or you can drag your leaf towards the stem. In both the cases, you can make in like either way, but when you're using this technique, like going away from the stem, it's much easier, as I say, as I compare it to that, making the leaves a little bigger and some smaller. That's it. Okay, the next, you can always make your paper move here and there accordingly, and then mixing some more black, then mixing some more green, and that's it. Adding a little bit of water. So I will start from here. And that's it. One more here. Okay, now I will use the previous color. This was sap green and this brown to make more leaves, some of the leaves to fill it here, because this goes, to make it even like that. So using a few more leaves. This time I'm a little faster. Okay, now I'm using my light green and let's mix some yellow to light green. And then we'll have some lemon green kind of a tone. So this time again we will make a different type of leaf, and that will be some small with a lot of branches. And filling it with smaller leaves. Okay, this also.
Alone and loved, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day.
So it's almost right, and what I'm gonna do, I have my paper designer, and I am gonna pick a paper from this, and this is what I have chosen as it has a matching with this leaves, the brown one. So I am gonna just cut it into the shape and we'll paste it inside this. Okay, using a brush to just spread the glue. That's it, and then place it in the middle. So your card is ready. What I'm going to do, I just will write happy birthday here, and for that I'll use my Tombow brush pens, and I'll write using both the colors. I'll write and happy birthday. Okay, So my card is ready and it looks beautiful. You can add your message over here, and keeping it inside an envelope, it will look much better. So that's the card we have. I hope you liked my video and you enjoyed it. If you really like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting the videos like that. Meet you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.